Hello, Captain Moo here, and this is the GoPro take of the funicular lift at Urbis. Apparently it's going up now. Floor 4 is locked off. Oh, it's actually going down. I don't know why I can't zoom in, but as you can see, here's the track as well. There's how they got onto the bottom deck, that gate down there. From 2. Don't know if you can see that, because the screen on this is tiny. 2. I'll try pressing the call again. Aha, 1. Is it still coming down? Yeah, it's coming. Here we go. Look, there's the other deck. There's a bottom deck there, and here's the top deck. We'll just let these people get out. Inner doors and outer doors are off-timed from when I last went on it. Wait, where's...
Okay, we're going in.
Okay. So, let's go in. Right, get the cat out, get the cat out.
Doors closing.
Here's the cat.
Doors opening. Has it gone up?
There's the cat, here.
Doors closing.
3. I pressed 3. Yep. Hello, cat. And what's this? We're going diagonally. The cat's happy. Oh, she can't go up there. But as you can see, this is 100% a funicular lift. It's going up. You can see the chain there. Mum calls it the worm that comes off the lift. Oh, the counterweight's just gone underneath us. Yep, the counterweight actually goes underneath the car. I apologise, I have a bit of a snotty nose.
Floor gallery.
Answer elevators. Oh, it squeaked. It's a very loud squeak it makes when it gets to the 3rd floor. Right.
Going up.
Doesn't go to 4.
Doors closing.
Right. We'll go back down to 0. Here we go, diagonally. Cat. Oh my gosh, it's squeaky. And it shakes around a lot. I like the floor. It's also got the screen here that's switched on with the switch here. Don't know what special service does, but
Very exciting.
yeah. I think there's a door operator there. See that? There's a little electric box.
It's all usual the way it went down instead of going up for you, isn't it?
Yeah, no, but I think I went because the door was open. I think it was
There's some bolts
Right.
going there. Right. Here's the ground floor. Very shattered glass there.
Gallery.
Right, here we are.
Oh, look who's out here.
I know.
Doors opening.
Oh, indoors are off time with the outer doors. Anyway, that's been Captain Moo in the epic funicular lift at Urbis, but it's the GoPro take. Now let's see it go up. You can just see it go up.
You're filming the floor.
Oh, I'm just watching it go up. Oh.
I don't think it's gonna go. I think
It doesn't go to 4, it doesn't go to 4. Anyway, that's been Captain Moo in this epic funicular lift, the GoPro take at Urbis. Sorry about that, that was my brother covering the camera. So, bye.